Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you the web apps of the Adobe. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Adobe Firefly and then we have to create our account. And after creating the account, as you can see, I have opened my account and I'm using this option which is called text to images. And after opening this image, as you can see, has an option for this icon. So we have to click on this icon. And after clicking on this icon, as you can see, you will be able to see the different types of the web apps of the Adobe's. Adobe Express, Adobe Firefly, Acrobat, Stock, Lightroom, Photoshop, Acrobat, Sign, Fonts, Experience Cloud. These all options are provided here. If you want to go to the home, you can also do that, Adobe's home. If you want to see the all apps, you have to click on the all apps and you will be able to see the different types of all apps. So basically these are the Adobe's apps. These are the Adobe software. If you want to use them, you can use them. But these are the paid. You have to buy the access. So let's see which type of apps we have. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. So as you can see, we are in the app section of the Adobe's. These all apps are provided here. The Photoshop, Illustrator, as you can see. If you want to get the free trial, if you want to buy them, you can also do that. These all types of Adobe softwares are provided here. You can use anyone. You can get the free trial. You can download them and you can use them as per your need. If you want to, if you want these in the group wise, you can also do that. Like in the graphic design, you will be able to get these options. In the generative AI, you will be able to get these options. In the video section, you will be able to get these options. So these all options are provided here. So in this way, you can see the Adobe's app. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can see the Adobe's all app and the web app. So see you guys in the next video.